Call by value. In call by value, actual parameter changes into formal parameter. But when there is change in formal parameter, it does not affect actual parameter. Let's understand first what are actual parameter and what are formal parameter. This is function. You are watching here int a comma int b. These are formal parameter because they receive the value sent from the main program. These x and y are called actual parameter because they takes the value from here and they give the value a and b. So a and b which receive the value in calling are called formal parameter, and the parameter which gives the value to actual parameter which gives the value to formal parameter are called actual parameter. So now this is function prototype. Three basic part: function prototype, function calling, and function. Three basic part of the function. Prototype. What the prototype tells us? From where we are writing the prototype? From here. See this one. Void, void, sum, int, int. No need to write a and b. So what the function prototype tells us? Return type, function name, number of parameters, 2 parameters, and type of parameter int. These 4 information is given by prototype to compiler. Now let us understand the program. Here you are watching two variables x and y. Value of x is 10, value of y is 20. From here we are calling the function. We call the function by name. What is the name of function? Sum. And if there are 2 parameters here, we have to send 2 values from here. When we call the function, we are sending x and y. Value of x is received by a, value of y is received by b. Value of x is 10 and value of y is 20. So when we call the function, control from this part of program comes to here in the function. Value of x is received by a, which is 10. Value of y 20 received by b. So the value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. Now a plus 2. What is the value of a? Value of x 10. 10 plus 2 12. So the value of a is now 12. Value of y received by b 20 and b minus 2 18. So the value of a is 12 and value of b is 18. Now we are printing the value of a and b. When this function completes its work, again control goes to upper part. Then we go to the next statement. This calling will print the value of a and b. Value of a 10 plus 2 12. Value of b 20 minus 2 18. After that, in the next statement we will print the value of x and y. This is call by value, so there will be no change in the value after calling. Actual parameter change into formal, x change into a, y change into b. Change in actual formal parameter a plus 2 and b minus 2. a की वैल्यू में चेंज हो गया, b की वैल्यू में चेंज हो गया. a की वैल्यू x वाली है, y की वैल्यू किसकी है? b वाली है. So again when we will come here, actual parameter changing into formal, there is change in formal parameter, but again when we print the value of x, y, it will remain the same because it is call by value. Actual parameter x and y changing into formal parameter a and b. In a we are doing a plus 2, in b we are doing b minus 2. There is change in formal parameter, but the value of actual parameter will never be changed. This is called call by value. Now this is the same program. I am running this program in Turbo Editor. See, the value of a 12 because a will receive the value of x. X value is 10, 10 plus 2 12. Value of b is 18. B is receiving the value from y. Value of y is 20, 20 minus 2 18. But after that, when the actual parameter change into formal parameter a and b, and change in a and b, but it will not change the value of x and y. So this is called call by value. Actual parameter x, y change into formal. There is change in formal parameter a and b, but after that the actual parameter value is not changing. This is called call by value.